Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and happy Sunday. We're outside of CVS to do our CVS haul for today. Ton of great deals. They also do have that epic beauty event going on until the end of February. So that ends on the 29th, and all the beauty items that you buy, you're gonna get an additional 10% back in extra bucks. And I believe those will go on your account in about 2 weeks. So we'll have to check and see how that goes. So we're gonna try to do as many beauty deals as possible. There's some good makeup deals going on. There's also some good shampoo, conditioner deals, things like that. There's lotion, you name it. We're gonna try to do as many deals as possible today. Most of the deals I'm doing include either the current inserts from today, so that PNG we got today, the Retail Me Not, and the Smart Source. Also digital coupons and printable coupons. So most of these deals are gonna be very beginner friendly. All you have to do is run out, grab a newspaper, clip all of those coupons, and then watch this channel and see exactly how I utilize those, as well as the different rebate apps. We're gonna be using Fetch and Ibotta. Those are the main two that I use almost every time I go shopping. I'll be paying my out-of-pocket with Fetch, so my out-of-pocket will actually wind up being $0 again today. I am doing a new giveaway in my Ibotta haul video. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it at the end of this video. It's also in the description box. So when you're finished watching this video, make sure you guys click on over there so you guys can enter that giveaway and maybe be the lucky winner. I will be announcing the winner of that tomorrow in my Monday Walgreens haul. So make sure you have that notification bell clicked so that you can be notified when I post that video and check and see if you're the lucky winner. So let's head inside and take advantage of all these deals. Okay, the first deals we're gonna do is all of our cosmetic makeup deals. So first off is L'Oreal. It is on sale, buy one, get one half off, spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. So what I'm gonna grab is gonna be 2 of these invisible concealers. There was a, grab those. There was a face setting powder I wanted to grab that I saw online. It was $9.99, but I don't see that here. You could also grab this, what is this? Cooling Mist All Day Wear. I don't know if that would count as a face product. I think it would. So you could always grab this as well. It's $9.99. That one would be half off because the concealer is more expensive. It is $10.29. So we are going to use 2 of these $2 off one L'Oreal face product coupons. They were available on coupons.com. They are no longer available. So I also have the $3 L'Oreal cosmetic coupon that we got today from I got this last week from the Red Box. So I'm going to go ahead and use that in this deal as well. So the total for both of the products is going to be about $15.28. After all the coupons and the CRT, I'm gonna pay $8.28, get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost is just $1.64 each. So not a bad deal when both of these items were over $10 to start. Okay, the next deals we're gonna do are gonna be Covergirl. So Covergirl is on sale. Spend $12, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 1, so you can do this deal 1 time per card for this week. So what I'm gonna do is pick up one of these eyeliner pencils here. They are $7.79. Then I'm gonna pick up one of these invisible concealers down here. They are $7.79. So that'll put me over $15 because I have this 3 off of 15 Covergirl Cosmetic CRT that printed for me last week that I need to use today. Now we're also going to be using some coupons from today's 223 Smart Source insert. So we're going to use a $3 coupon for the concealer and a $3 coupon for the eye product. So the total for both of those items is going to be about $15.28. After the coupons and the CRT, we're gonna pay $6.28, get that $5 extra buck. So final cost is going to be just 64 cents each. My math may be a little off because I did have to switch up my deal a little bit because they were out of the product that I wanted to grab. But of course, all the correct math and everything will be in that printable breakdown listed in the description box. The next deal we're going to do is on Tresemme. So you can either get these. These are the professionals. They're on sale 2 for $10. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. What I'm gonna do is these really large bottles right here. They are 2 for $8. And again, buy 2, get a $2 extra back. So I'm gonna pick up, let's try the anti-breakage. I'm gonna pick up these 2 here, 1 of each. You can buy 2 of each, whatever, 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners, whatever you wanna do. We have this 4 off 2 coupon we got today in the Retail Me Not insert. Then if you have this $2.50 off of 8 Tresemme conditioner shampoo, it is going to be a moneymaker. So after these coupons here, we're gonna pay just $1.50 out of pocket, but then we're gonna get back that $2 extra buck. So final cost is going to be free and a 50-cent moneymaker. And of course, this does track towards CVS Beauty. Okay, so now let's do some lotion deals. So Nivea is going to be on sale. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So what I'm gonna do is pick up 2 of these smaller ones. They are $5.49 at my store. Some stores are as low as $4.99. So it just depends on your region and where you're at. If you still have those $2 coupons from the previous inserts, I unfortunately used all mine. There is one $2 digital coupon here that I'm going to be using. I also have a 3 off 10 lotion CRT that I am going to be using. So with both of those, final cost is going to be 49 cents each, which is absolutely amazing. And again, this tracks towards CVS Beauty. The next lotion deal we're gonna do is on Vaseline. So this is on sale, spend $15. It's on Axe, Dove, or Vaseline Personal Care. Then you're gonna get a $5 extra back. So what you're gonna do to hit that $15 threshold is buy 2 of the larger bottles. So they have the Aloe Hydration, they also have Cocoa Radiant, they also have Essential Healing. So a couple different kinds, they're all included and they're all the same price. So we're gonna pick up 2 of those. Then in today's Retail Me Not insert, we got these $2 off 1 coupons. So we're gonna go ahead and use 2 of these. I also have this $3.50 off of 15 hand and body lotion CRT that I'm going to pair with this deal. So after all coupons and extra bucks, CRTs, we're gonna pay $8.48 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, so final cost is $1.74 each. Not a bad deal because this is a 20-ounce bottle. So now it's time to pick up some paper products. So they're on sale, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So I'm gonna pick up, my original plan was to pick up 1 of these, one of these Vivas, and 1 of the Scott 1000 count, but as you can see, big bummer, my store is completely out. If you buy 1 of each, you're gonna use a 75-cent printable coupon for scottbrand.com for the toilet paper. Then we got a 75-cent coupon for the Viva in the 2.9 Smart Source. If you don't have this coupon, you can print I think it's a 50-cent coupon online, again from scottbrand.com, so that way you'll at least have a coupon. So the reason I really wanted to add the Scott tissue is because if you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, my account shows 20% points back on Scott toilet paper. So that would have made it an amazing, amazing deal. If you're not signed up on Fetch Rewards yet, make sure you use this referral code here, J24VT, and you'll get an additional 2,750 points. Once you hit 3,000, that equals $3. You can cash out for any gift card, and they do have CVS gift cards. So that's how I'm able to always pick up these products and never pay anything out of pocket, because I pay the remainder with my gift cards. So my math is gonna be a little different on this. The total is still gonna be the same at $15.98. You're gonna use, now I only have the 75-cent coupon off on here. Also gonna use this 2 off of 8 toilet paper and paper towels CRT. So if you use the 75-cent coupon from scottbrands.com, if you're able to pick up one of the 1,000 counts, you would pay $12.48 out of pocket, submit for a $1.50 back on Ibotta. If you don't know how to use Ibotta, I do have a video explaining exactly how to use that app listed in the description box. I will also link it after this video for you all if you haven't checked that out yet. Then you're gonna get the 20% points back for the Scott. So I'm assuming that would be about $1.25. Final cost would be just $2.36 each. Another deal we're gonna do is on the Febreze. So I really wanted to pick up the small spaces, but my store is out of that as well, just striking out today. But there's a couple other items that we can grab, so I'm just gonna switch it up a little bit. They are on sale $2.99 or 2 for $6. We got this buy one, get one free coupon in the March P&G insert we got today. So final cost is gonna be just $1.49 each. Now, if you have this $2 off Febreze, final cost is gonna be $1 or just 49 cents each, which is such a great deal. So I'm probably gonna pick up 2 of these car clips. The other items that are included are gonna be these Febreze sprays. I have like 10 of these things and I don't really use them that much, so I'm probably gonna start donating them. I was hoping the fabric was included, but they're not. They're just buy one, get one half off. So let's grab 2 of these vent clips and add them to our cart. Here are some good food deals that you could take advantage of. These Nature Valley bars are all on sale for just $1.99. We do have this 50-cent coupon from previous inserts. It might have actually been today's inserts. I'll have to link it for you in the description box in the printable breakdown. So if you buy 2 of these, final cost would be just $1.74 each, which is a great deal for some granola bars. Cereal you guys could do is Cheerios are on sale for $1.99. We have this $1 off 2 coupon from today's Smart Source insert. So I believe this one will work. When you buy 2 of them, total cost would be $3.98. You would use this coupon, pay $2.98 for 2, or just $1.49 for a box of cereal, which is a great deal. They have a ton of other cereals available on sale for $1.99 as well, which is still a great price point. They have a ton of Kellogg's. They have Frosted Flakes. They have Honey Smacks, which I don't think I've ever tried. Cocoa Puffs, you name it. So definitely check out the food aisle at CVS. Okay, so we're back in from CVS and everything went well. A couple products they didn't have that I wanted to buy today, so a little bit of a bummer on that. I was really excited about grabbing the Scott 1,000 count toilet paper so that it would make it a better deal when you're using Fetch and getting those bonus points back. So I'll go over my receipt with you guys like usual. All the coupons worked. I rolled $48 in extra bucks and then paid the rest out of pocket with my Fetch gift card. So 0 actual cash or anything out of pocket. I did pay the remainder with Fetch. So if you don't have at least $48 in extra bucks to roll, that includes $9 of beauty bucks from all my deals I did last week, then I would definitely recommend splitting up your transaction into, 2 or 3 transactions so you can keep rolling the extra bucks into the next transaction to keep your out of pocket as low as possible. So I do want to let you guys know that I did use about $48 of extra bucks to help bring my total all the way down to about 53 cents plus taxes. So total for all the products was about $90. It was like $86 or something like that. And I paid nothing for it, which is why I love using Fetch so much. When I scan my card for any different apps or rebates going on, all the products, any receipt I have, I go to Publix, I scan it. I go to Walmart, I scan it. Make sure. Then sometimes you'll get bonus points on an item that you didn't even realize would bonus. And then all of those points I use to cash in for gift cards that I use at CVS. So here is my receipt with all of the products that I bought. La la la. These are all the coupons. I can't tell you exactly which one is which because they're not named, unfortunately. But I had the $3 Covergirl, the $2 digital for the Nivea. If you have 2 of the Nivea coupons, the two $2 off coupons, or at least 1 paper coupon, and then you have the digital, it would be a $1 moneymaker if the price point is $5.49. If it is $4.99 at your store, it would be $2 moneymaker, which would be awesome. But I used all my coupons and I totally forgot to buy more for these deals. 3 off of 15 Covergirl. So all my CRTs and everything came off here. These were the $9 in beauty bucks that I rolled from last week. These are all of the extra bucks that I used that I got from last week as well. So final cost came down all the way to just 53 cents plus taxes out of pocket. And as you see here, I used the gift card, so I paid absolutely nothing out of pocket, which is amazing. Got back all of my extra bucks. I will be getting back about $6 in beauty bucks, and then of course plus that 10%. I'm not sure what they're going to be calculating that on, so we'll have to wait and see when that epic beauty event is over and we all wind up getting those additional extra bucks back. So if you have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up with me, and make sure you share it with your friends, your family, coworkers, anyone who could use some additional savings to help them with their budgeting and get some amazing household items and beauty products for slim to nothing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.